Making some ham and cheese with egg cheeseburgers. Couple fried eggs nicely done. That'll go on there after we get the cheeseburgers on there. If you've never had a fried egg on a cheeseburger, you don't know what you're missing. Alright, we just flipped those burgers, cheesed them, and put our fried eggs on top of them. We're gonna put our lid on them and transfer them over to here. Oh, can't wait. Oh, look at those bad boys. Get them transferred over to our buns with the fried ham on. I can't do it one-handed while holding this, so just a moment. There you have it. Transferred in place. Yeah. Break the top and let that yolk run around. Creates a great sauce. Put our buns on. Oh my. Doesn't get much better than that. Oh. Unfortunately, my wife is sleeping, so I can't have her film me taking a bite of this beauty. But I guarantee you, I'm gonna love every last chew of it. Like, subscribe, and share. This is for my son and I. See ya. I couldn't show me taking the bite, but I assure you, it was fabulous. Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.